This is Immaculate Soccer 6342. Let's do this thing. Where it's a random hip break. Make sure everything's in order. It is. It's Wayne and Graham up against each other. Here we go. The Wayne Sharps. The Wayne Sharps. Takes on Graham Howells. Did he do that? Good luck, both of you guys. This goes to random hip break, so we don't have to randomize anything until the very end. Oh yeah, sorry, Kenny. I know you wanted a tin, buddy. There you go. Sorry, Mr. James Kenny. There you go, buddy. If you come to the trade day tomorrow or anything, or I can send it out to you, let me know, buddy. James Kenny, there you go, man. All right. First up to 49, Mbappe. To 80, Cucho Hernandez. Just gonna write Cucho. I don't think there's many blokes named Cucho in this box. Kyle Lafferty to 49. To 99, it is Samuel Eto'o. Number 299. I'm just going to write Ito. The 2. Number 299, it is Lacazette. Jersey. I'm bringing this house by the rain, bringing red coats, red with blood stains. To just 10, Brian Reynolds. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. One of one, David Beckham. That is a big boy. Oh, my God. That's huge. Wow. Wow! Oh man, that is large. Wow! Gee, yeah. That is a big boy right there. Huge card. This is a big random. This is a big random. Oh, man. Huge. That potentially one of the biggest boys in the set. Oh, Lord, this is a huge random. Here we go. Oh, God, this is going to hurt. I'm so anxious. I like break things when I'm anxious. Here we go. Wow. Good luck, both participants. Let's do this. 5 times. Here we go. 1. Don't even look on the first spins. 2. Don't even look. 3, 4, and 5. Beckham in spot 2. That is 5 times. Let's find out who has it. In 6, 3, 4, 2. Wayne B. Sharp. That is massive. Wow. Congratulations, Wayne Sharp. Well, I'm getting a quick little photo of that one, that's for sure. Wayne, congrats, buddy. Wayne, listen, I don't drink. I like flight center vouchers. Congrats, Wayne. Huge card. Commiserations to Graham. Hard to say. So, Wayne's cards are the Cucho, the Beckham 101, Lacazette, and Reynolds to 10. Dale is bringing the phone. I am not doing it yet. If you're in the Discord, I'm not doing a shoey. Wow. Is Wayne here?